Today, here is a big one in my factory. Let's take a look. This machine is 4-axis plus 1-axis, can be called 5-axis bridge CNC cutting machine. Adapt 17 series control system, 2 meters wide and 3.2 meters length. 15 kilowatt cutting model and 7.5 kilowatt watt cooling span model. This model with pressing cylinder. Then cutting degree from 45 to 19. Cutting height rotate. Marble cutting and carving 2 functions. This spanner and cutting blade are water cooled during material processing to protect both the marble and the model. If you also interested in this model, you can contact me.